Let's talk about le and de in this French class, okay? Some French students or French learners, they find it difficult to differentiate between le and de. Sometimes they use this in place of this. Sometimes they use this in place of this, okay? So this particular French class, we are here to talk about the meaning, in fact, everything about these words. Now, le in French, let me just give you an example, okay? You hear something like les enfants, des enfants, okay? Les enfants, des enfants. So sometimes some people don't understand the meaning. Okay, let's just start with this. Okay. Now, les enfants, okay? We are talking about les enfants now. Les enfants means children. These are both plural words, okay? Now, let's call this D. Okay, this should mean D. D. This is D. Why this there is some or few. Okay? We are using this to talk about D. Let's say les enfants. Les enfants. Les enfants. And I want to tell you the reason why I'm pronouncing this S in les enfants. Okay, because we have words like les enfants, les amis, les joueurs. We are going to talk about it later in this particular class, so you have to support us by following this page, subscribe to our channels, in fact, comment, like, and share, okay, so that whenever we drop our classes, our topics, you get to see it and learn with us, okay? Now, les enfants, it means the children. The children. The children. Okay, that's what les enfants means. That's to tell you that whenever you are talking about something that is very specific, okay, you should use les enfants, either le or les enfants. We are going to talk about the reason why I say les enfants, sometimes les choses, sometimes les joueurs, okay? So we are going to talk about it later. We have des choses, des enfants, des choses. Sometimes this S is being pronounced, while sometimes this S is not being pronounced. So we're going to talk about it later in this class, okay? Now, les enfants, the children. Now, it means we are talking about the children. The children is known, specific, okay? Specific, or even countable, you understand? You know the particular quantity of the things you are talking about. You use les choses, okay? Les choses. Les choses. Pardon my handwriting. Les choses means the things. The things. Les choses. Les choses. I didn't say les choses. Les choses. You are going to know the reason why I'm not saying les choses. I'm saying les choses. Why in this one I said les enfants instead of les enfants. Okay, so you are talking about the things. Okay, that is why we are using this le. Okay, le. Now, when you are talking, let's talk about this de or des. Whenever you use de, it means, okay, let's say when we want to use de now, let's say des choses. Des choses. Okay, des choses. Now, pay attention. It's now some things. You understand me? Some things instead of the thing. It is now some. So this is to tell you that this one is not specific. Okay, few. It is, you are talking about few. Okay, something that is not specific. For instance, again, you can say, I have some friends in Italy. Okay, I have some friends in Italy. Now, how do you say it in this particular aspect using de? Okay, you can say now, I have some friends in Italy. Okay, now how do we say this in French? You say j'ai des amis en Italie. Okay, j'ai des amis in Italy. You are saying that you have some friends in Italy. So whenever you are talking about the children, you say les enfants. Whenever you are talking about some children, you say des enfants. I hope you understood this. Okay, now let's talk about the reason why I mentioned this S in some particular statements and failed to mention it in some particular statements. Okay, let's take for instance now, we have some vowel sounds. Let me just show you the vowel sounds here. A, I, E, O, U. Okay, these are the vowel sounds. Now, whenever this le is being followed by a particular word that started with a vowel sound, you understand? That is when you pronounce this S. Okay, it's very easy to understand. Whenever you want to use le and it is being followed by a word that starts with a vowel sound, that is when you pronounce this S. Okay, it is the same thing with this de. Okay, de shows. Okay, de shows. It's not des because C is not among the vowel sounds. This is a consonant sound. This C is not among the consonant sounds. That is why we didn't say des shows. Okay, so that is what we have to say about these words le and de. Okay, so I believe you understood what I said concerning this topic. Whenever you are making sentences, make sure that you listen to the video very attentively to understand the meaning of le and de, so that you don't use this when you actually have to use this. Okay, this is the children, very specific. You are talking about the children, a particular children. Okay, now a particular group of children. Okay, because it is a plural word. Okay, particular group of children, the children. Okay, when you say des enfants, some children. Okay, you are talking about some children. Okay, so this is whenever you want to say some things, you use this. Okay, whenever you are talking about a specific thing, you use the. Okay, so thank you so much for following this lecture. Make sure you follow our social media handles, like and comment, so that whenever we drop a particular topic, you'll be the first to get the video and study it. Thank you so much. Feel free to put your questions under the comment section. Okay, you can also give us example under the comment section. Okay, example of this le and de. Okay, I will do in the comment section to ascertain whether you understood what we just taught in this particular class. Okay, thank you so much.